In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Cloud Storage bucket public using the Google Cloud Console, commonly known as the Web UI. If you're looking to share your data or media files more broadly, making your storage bucket publicly accessible is a straightforward solution. Let's dive into this step-by-step process, ensuring you do it effectively and securely. First, you'll want to sign in to the Google Cloud Console. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Storage section by clicking on Browser. Here, you'll find a list of your storage buckets. Now, find and select the bucket you wish to make public. This could be any bucket you want others to access without secret keys or troubleshooting. Next, look for the Permissions tab within the bucket. This is where you'll manage who has access. When you click on this tab, you'll spot an option to grant access or add principals, depending on how your page is set. This is essentially where you specify who can do what in your bucket. In the New Principals field, you'll need to enter all users. By adding this, you're specifying that you want to allow access to every internet user, not just those with a Google account. Remember, this is only recommended if you're comfortable with anyone possibly accessing your data. After typing all users, the next step is to assign an appropriate role. In this case, you'll want to choose the role titled Storage Object Viewer under the Cloud Storage section. This role is very important because it only allows users to view or read the objects, not make changes or delete anything. It grants read access to all the objects in your bucket, which is ideal for publicly shared files. Once you've set the role, you'll be prompted with a confirmation box. You'll need to click on Allow Public Access to proceed. It'll give you a moment to reconsider, reminding you that your data will be publicly available to anyone with the link. Make sure that this action aligns with your intentions and security considerations, reaffirming your willingness to make the bucket objects accessible to all. Finally, after saving these changes, keep an eye out on each object within your bucket. You'll now notice a public access column indicating which items are public. This will be particularly useful as you can directly share the URL linked with these objects. It's a transparent way to manage and distribute data, especially for universally accessible files like images, videos, or documents you want to share publicly. And that's it. Congratulations! You've now made your Google Cloud Storage bucket public through the Google Cloud Console. Always double-check your settings, particularly when dealing with sensitive information, and enjoy the convenience of your newly shared resources.